Lynch Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: Lynch is an Irish surname with 4 possible origins. The first is that the de Linch family came from Norman France and settled in County Meath, Ireland around the time of the 12th century. Second, it is a shortened Anglicized form of the Gaelic name Ó Loingsigh, which means descendant of Loingseach, a personal name meaning mariner from long ship. Third, it has been suggested that the Lynch Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: Lynch is an Irish surname with 4 possible origins. The first is that the de Linch family came from Norman France and settled in County Meath, Ireland around the time of the 12th century. Second, it can be a shortened Anglicized form of the Gaelic personal name Ó Loingsigh, meaning descendant of Loingseach, a personal name meaning mariner from long ship. Third, it has been suggested that the Lynch family of Kent, England, may have originally come from the Austrian town of Linz. And fourth, it could be an English topographic surname denoting someone who lived on a slope or hillside. Early bearers included Geoffrey Lynch of Suffolk in 1228, William de la Lynch of England around the year 1270, and Simon de Lynch of Norfolk in 1292. Knighthoods included Sir Thomas Lynch of Rixton Hall, governor of Jamaica. He was knighted in 1670. And here we see his plantation in Jamaica. Sir William Lynch, knighted in 1771, was a British diplomat and politician who sat in the House of Commons between 1762 and 1780. Noble titles held included the Lynch baronetcy of Galway. It was created in the baronetage of Ireland in 1622 for Sir Henry Lynch, a member of an Anglo-Norman family that was one of the merchant tribes of Galway. And here we see the family seat of Atholville House in County Mayo, Ireland. And here we see Sir Harry Lynch Bloss and Sir Robert Lynch Bloss, the 7th and 8th baronets, respectively. Landed gentry included Lynch of Barna in County Galway, Ireland, Lynch of Durris Park and of Renmore Park in Galway, Ireland, Lynch of Partry House in County Mayo, Lynch of Lavelly in County Galway, and Lynch of Clonmane House in County Cork, Ireland. Notables: William Fannigan Lynch was an Irish Republican Army officer during the Irish War of Independence from 1919 to 1921. Captain William Francis Lynch, born 1801, was a naval officer who served first in the United States Navy and later in the Confederate States Navy. Thomas Lynch was an American planter and statesman from South Carolina who was a delegate to the Continental Congress from 1774 till 1776. And his son, Thomas Lynch Jr., a signer of the Declaration of Independence and one of America's founding fathers. George Edward Lynch Cotton, born 1833, a pioneer in education and the Bishop of Calcutta, India. And Patrick Neeson Lynch, born 1817, an Irish-born prelate of the Roman Catholic Church who served as Bishop of the Diocese of Charleston in the southeastern United States from 1857 till 1882. Early settlers included Jeremiah Lynch, who came to Virginia in 1638, Cornelius Lynch, who came to Maryland in 1679, Francis Lynch, who came to Georgia in 1733, Christopher to Pennsylvania in 1745, Barnaby to Pennsylvania the following year, and Edward Lynch came to Nova Scotia, Canada in 1750. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at COADB.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.